Hello, Rocketeers. Today we are going to play a little game called What the Honest Fuck Is That Beeping? It is literally 7 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm trying to find some more light for you guys. And as you may be able to hear, there is some ridiculous amount of beeping going on. It seems to be coming from my parents' room, so dark segment, I apologize. What is this beeping? Look at puppies. Oh. Oh. What is this beeping? This is my dad's fucking alarm. There we go. Now that we've found out what that beeping was, sorry, not that I could, like, it woke me up, but, like, you can imagine, like, beeping just constantly, how that would get annoying, right? Anyway, so I want to welcome every new person to the channel. I just finished watching Jess's video, and I love her a little bit too much for only seeing her, like, once. What else? What do you guys not know about me? You know I'm a crazy bitch. Sorry, dark segment again. Kind of forgot to turn off the light in my parents' room, whatever. What do you not know about me? Oh, I got my hair cut. Look how short it is. Isn't it cute? Oh my god, I kind of look like a monkey. That's hot. What else? I could do new shit. Oh, I'm gonna put you on the stairs. Oh, that didn't work. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so nothing really new. Got my hair cut, obviously. I'm kind of addicted to the word fantastic because it's just kind of amazing, or it's kind of fantastic. Oh, that was not funny at all. And I would not blame you if you wanted to slap me for that. But anyway, it's 7 o'clock in the motherfucking morning. I really don't have anything to do right now. I just wanted to kind of, get my video out of the way so when I get home from school I can take a nap. So, what else is new in my life? I'm really fucking awesome still, I promise. I'm Thursday now. In case you didn't get that, considering it's Thursday and I'm here. Sorry, I was kind of distracted. There are lights outside my window and I'm afraid I'm gonna get raped. I'm Thursday now. Yeah, I moved to Thursday. So I'm Thursday now. So I'm on Thursday. I'm getting a little bit redundant here in case you couldn't pick up on that. I'm pretty excited for Christmas. That's like in 12 days or something. Don't quote me on that because I'm not 100% sure. But I'm pretty close, I think. What else do I need to talk about? What if one of you were a doctor and then you, like, saw in my mouth and you, like, saw my tonsils or something? And you're like, oh my god, you need to get them taken out or else you're gonna die. And then I'd be like, thank you, doctor. And then I would go get my tonsils out, and then I wouldn't die, and it would be all because of you. So you saved my life, so I love you! Sorry. That kind of went really stupid. It was supposed to turn out really cool, but it was just really stupid, because I don't think there are really a lot of, like, certified doctor people watching my videos. It's like, But you never know. So, that's all I got for you. Oh my god, I missed you guys so very much. You're all beautiful. True story. Sorry. I haven't been in front of a camera in a long ass time, girl. So now that's all I have for you. I really freaking love you. You're kind of beautiful. I want your babies. Let's have babies. Magic unicorn babies. Let's have magic unicorn babies. Yes. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. No, Hanukkah's already over. I hope you had a happy Hanukkah. If you do Hanukkah, not sure when Kwanzaa is, so Kwanzaa's still happening. Happy Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa over. Hope you had a good Kwanzaa. I think there's another holiday in December, but I'm not sure what it is. So if you celebrate other holiday that I don't know of, happy or merry it. So now that's all I have for you. I'm going to go drink some juice. Poke. Sorry, I just poked you in the eye. That's what that was. Oh, do you want to see my ID? Okay, I'm sorry. No, actually, no, you're not going to see it because I look awful in the picture. Okay, now that's all I have for you. I promise. I will see you next Thursday. I love you. I want your babies.